We're in this 5-minute key consolidation zone, looking for a reaction and a rejection off the top of it. This is the first test of it, rejection. This would be the retest, looking for a second candle close to the downside that I'm going to enter. Sells, tight stop loss, aiming for it to refill this gap right here. So just above the highs, like that, and then aiming for the lows, or just for it to fill this gap. But it's looking like this candle is gonna flip to the upside, which would invalidate the entry because we need 2 candle closes to the downside. So realistically, that would be an entry. It's not a good entry signal, but I'm still gonna fucking take it because why not, eh? We'll wait to see what this candle does. If this candle closes red again, then I'll take it. But if it doesn't, then I'm not gonna take it. Just because the last candle wasn't really an entry signal. Ten more seconds. Price is just kind of floating. And then if this closes the way it's gonna close, okay, I'm taking it. Okay, I entered. So this is the position we're in. My stops are right above there. Looking to fill the gap. Risking 1,000 to make 5,000. Immediate reaction, that's what we like to see. Now it's pretty much just a waiting game. Seeing what price is gonna do. And then I'm gonna zoom out and sort of break it down for you guys. Last trade we took was up here. Obviously, if we took in it, it would have been a lot bigger of a move, but we're just trying to scalp, right? Now we're in this other key consolidation zone right here. Top of it's right here where this alert is. Bottom of it's right here where this alert is. And I'm thinking that this is just an unclean retest of the top of it. So that's why I'm taking it right here. Looking for a quick push down, quick entry, quick exit. And if you guys haven't watched my entry model video, you guys should probably give that a watch. So this is the exact type of reaction I'm looking for. And hopefully over the next couple minute candles, it pushes down and hits TP. Currently up 1,600. I really hope this isn't just a flag and then it continues pushing up. I really hope that's not the case, but it's, if the next couple candles don't continue making lows, then that's probably what's happening. It's probably just a flag, and then it's going to push back up before it decides to turn back down. Currently up 1,500. Come on, baby, you know you want to break out of that little spot right there. We needed to break right here. After we break out of this and get a candle close underneath it, if we do, I'm gonna trail my stop loss to 1R, which would be right above these highs right there. But it's looking like it's pushing up. Come on, you little slut, go back down. We don't like that candle right there. It's looking like it's gonna come up and stop us out. If you're a conservative trader, I would suggest closing it right now, but I'm gonna hold. That's what we like to see right there. That's what we like. This is the break we need right here. Come on, close underneath that little level right there. It's really enjoying this price range right here. Kind of just floating around $1,000 profit right now. It's looking like it's forming a flag in an overall uptrend. So if you are a conservative trader, I would say that this might just be a flag and then it's going to push back up before it even thinks about coming back down. We'll see. My analysis still looks healthy, considering we're not really getting any candle closes under this level right here, and then also not really getting any above it. It's still looking favorable to come back down. As long as we don't get any massive candle flips in either direction, or to the upside I should say, it's still looking favorable for us. That's the break we're looking for, baby. Currently up 2,500. So if this candle closes, which it looks like it is, I'm trailing my stop to 1R, which is going to be right here. So at the very least, we're locking in $1,000. So that's my trailed stop right there. And I'm going to update it on my MetaTrader right now. So I'm adjusting my trailing stop. So at the very least, we are making 1R, which for this trade is only $650, but 650 is better than nothing, I guess. So I'm risking 650 to make 5,000. Not risking 1,000 to make 500 or 5,000. It was actually only risking 650. Still good though. At the very least, we're making 650 on the trade. So I trailed my stop. It's still looking healthy to keep on going down. And then what I like to do is after we close in significant levels, which if we close again under the 3R, I'll move my stop loss to 2R. Just so I like to lock in profits, especially if it's the first trade and we're going into profit on the first trade. I don't lock in partials if I've taken losses on previous trades throughout the session. Only if it's the first trade and it's going into profit, I like to take partials, because that puts me ahead for the day. It's looking like it's gonna hit stop loss. But also this is like a little 1 minute support level right here, so it needs to break through that to get to it, which it just did. So we locked in 650 on the trade. So a little 1-to-1. And I'll update you guys if I re-enter again, if it pushes back up. But for now, it's a good trade. We could have locked in 3R, but I'd much rather trail my stop like I was doing to maximize and get up to a 7R rather than just a 3R. But still a good trade. Still a good trade. Have my alert set up here, and I'm probably not going to enter again. I'll probably put an alert right here just to take a look at the chart if price comes back up here, see if I can re-enter with the same analysis as before. Go figure, price stops us out and then starts running towards the target. Unfortunate, but that's just kind of what happens sometimes. So the next thing I'd be looking for is price to come down and then look for bounces back up to the upside, or for this to be a flag down and then for it to come back up and then allow us to do something like this yet again later on in the day. So just waiting to see what price does and how price forms over the next few hours. So my last trade was at 11 a.m. This trade was at 6 p.m. and I didn't end up recording like the webcam. So pretty much the analysis of this trade was right after open, we formed this little 1 minute key consolidation zone and we were showing resistance at the top of it. Per my entry model, I short off those opportunities, and that's exactly what I did here. It ended up hitting take profit in like 20 minutes. So it was a quick entry, a quick exit. And then I'll also show like a screenshot of the actual position as well, so you guys know I actually took it. But this was a pretty straightforward trade, exactly to my entry model. If you guys haven't seen my entry model video, scroll down on my YouTube channel and fucking watch it, because it clearly works. And then also, if you want to take all of these trades that I'm taking and apply them to yourself, whether it's on a live account or a prop firm account, join my Discord. I drop everything for free as of right now. But clearly, once there is a pay gateway, you'll more than be getting your money back with my trades.